Learning should be fun. Research shows that people who enjoy the learning process get significantly better results.
Sure thing, my dear. But our priority still is the learning goals. Our method includes a profound dive into content for various groups, with academic principles helping us organize and structure it.
Combining highest learning standards with fun is our mission. That's why we created a toolbox packed with various options. Welcome Doc Jenkins and Joyce. They guide you through your learning scenarios. They explain, grow your knowledge, and they are quite some fun to be around.
Did you hear that, Joyce? Quite some fun.
Yeah, as long as you're not talking the whole time.
Come on, sometimes learning also means some work. Get used to it.
If you say so. However, I like that people can choose their environments. Looks like I would like to learn in there.
And we provide all kinds of interactions and quizzes, not only for more motivation, but also for even better learning results.
Not to forget different gamification elements to engage the users even stronger.
Above all, it's about learning goals. We give clear introductions and explanations supported by images and videos. From getting in-depth understanding to experiencing dangerous situations, we have a proven framework with adaptable learning methods.
And when Doc Jenkins starts to bore you with academic speeches, I'll jump in with helpful pictures and interactions.
You need feedback and analytics to help the learners after their training sessions?
Consider it done.
Do you want to improve your trainings as well? With our toolbox, it's less complicated and expensive than you think. So let's talk.
Oh no, please not that again.